In this video, we'll show you how to fix FC26 not launching or not opening on your PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so you click FC26 and nothing happens, or it opens for half a second, or it just sits there in the EA app doing absolutely nothing. So I'm gonna go through this properly and fix it step by step. Alright, so first thing we're checking is permissions. Click Start and type FC26. Right-click on it and choose Open File Location. If it opens a shortcut folder, right-click FC26 again and hit Open File Location one more time until you see the actual game file. Now right-click on the main.exe file, click Properties, go to the Compatibility tab and check Run this program as administrator. Click apply and then OK. Now try launching the game again. If it launches now, the issue was just Windows blocking permissions. If that didn't fix it, we're gonna check for corrupted files. If you're using EA app, open it, go to your library, find FC26, click the three dots and select repair. If you're using Steam, you're gonna do the same. Go to library, right-click FC26, click Properties, go to Install Files, and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Let it finish completely. Once it's done, launch the game again. Now, if the game still won't open, your GPU drivers might be outdated. If you're on NVIDIA, open GeForce Experience or go to NVIDIA website and download the latest driver. If you're on AMD, go to AMD's website and download the latest driver. Install it, restart your PC, then try launching FC26 again. Now let's make sure Windows isn't using your integrated graphics by mistake. Click Start, go to Settings, then System, then Display. Scroll down and click Graphics and locate FC26 executable file. Add it, click on it, select Options, and choose High Performance. Now try launching the game again and see if that fixes it. If it still refuses to open, the problem is usually EA anti-cheat. Go to the folder where FC26 is installed. You can go to EA app and click the three dots. Here just click on Open Folder. Inside this folder, look for Installer and then Anti-Cheat. Find the EA Anti-Cheat installer, select FC26 from the list and click on Install. Once that finishes, you're gonna click Install. Restart your PC and then try launching the game again. Alright, if none of that worked, it's time for a clean reinstall. Uninstall FC26 completely from EA app or Steam, restart your PC, then download it and install it fresh. And that's it.